Hello YouTube, this is Adi from Techschool, and in this short video I will teach you how to organize your tabs and to save RAM while using Google Chrome or Brave browser. The first thing that you're going to need to do is to go to the Chrome Web Store and then search for one tab. So you see I already have it added. It's offered by one-tab.com. You're going to click on it and then install. This is Chrome's web store, but it works perfectly well with Brave, and I personally use Brave. So once you have it installed, what you can do is I'll just open different tabs to show you how it works. And okay, let's see. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tabs open. Now all of these tabs are taking up a lot of memory, and they're making your browser slow, and they're basically hard to keep track of. One way you could do that is by pinning them, but that does not save RAM, and it is still really hard to keep track of. So when you have installed one tab, you will see this icon here. It's one tab's icon. You just click on it, and then it just opens up a new tab. You can see here that it has 7 tabs which I opened, and I can click on more and then name it. I can name this whatever, random tabs for example. And it has Google, it has the extensions tab, it has the web store, it has YouTube, it has the test website, Spotify, Twitter, all of the websites that I opened before. And you can click on restore all to open all of these, or you can just right click and open a new tab to open one at a time. You can also share all of these as one web page if you want to share it. You can lock it so that it does not disappear when you open one of these, and you can star it so that it stays at the top. I already have one starred, so I'm not gonna do that. And this extension really helps you to organize your tabs and to save memory, because it just closes all the tabs and it just keeps an instance recorded and saved in its one tab window. Whenever you start Google Chrome or Brave, one tab already opens with all of its tabs and all of its sections. So yeah, that was how you manage and organize your tabs and save your memory while using Google Chrome or Brave browser. Thank you for watching.